Greetings to everyone. In this video I am going to explain about how to produce quiz and publish in Olympus Great Learning. For that you need to select a batch from your dashboard. So I am going to select 3rd BTech. So in this we are going to select courses. Now as I am dealing with geotechnical engineering course, I am selecting geotechnical engineering. Here I want to assign a quiz to the students. So I need to click on quizzes. Right? So for generating a new quiz, we need to click on add quiz. So here it is, a new quiz document. So in this we have 2 pages. In the first page we need to give all details about quiz. In the second page we need to type questions and answers. Okay, so now in the details, unnamed quiz. So in this place I am gonna type GTE assignment. Okay, so whatever the serial number you have in assignments, you may type that one. So I am typing as sample. Right, so here I am going to give some instructions. Okay, so quiz instructions. So now 15 questions, total 15 marks, and duration is, so I am giving 16 minutes duration. Right, now I am going to type some questions. So click on questions page. Now for adding a question we need to click on new question. So here we have dialog boxes, question, multiple choice and points. Right, so my quiz is multiple choice quiz, so that I am using this multiple choice option. So if you want to give any other type of questions, then you can select from this drop box. Now in this question we need to give serial number of that particular question. Okay, so as it is a first question, I am giving question number 1, and you need to assign points here. For the question 1 I am giving single point, that means marks. Okay, 1 mark for first question. Now in this box we need to type the question. Okay, so either you can type or you may select copy paste from previously. If you have previously any Word document with objective type questions, you can select that question from particular document and copy, then paste the question here. Okay, so as we have already assigned question number, so we don't need any question number here. Okay, simply the question. Now so please observe here, in the first box this is answers blog. Here you need to type 4 options. Okay, in that, in the first box you need to type correct answer. Okay, so whatever the correct answer, you need to type that in the first box only. So for example, as I have selected this question and my answer is A, right? See here. answer for this question is A. So that I need to select this first, copy, paste here, right? So as it is already used for serial numbering, it will take it as it is from the document, so that I am editing here. You don't need to give any bullets. Okay, now the remaining possible options, you need to type remaining 3 options here. Okay, but correct answer should definitely type in the first box only. Okay, now in the second box I need to type remaining options. Control C, Control V. So click here and remove that bullet. Similarly, remaining options. Control V, Control C and Control V. Right? So the total 4 options have given. So the correct answer is definitely should be pasted in the first box only, so that it can take the correct answer and produce marks for student when he was attempted the exam or assignment, right? So now after typing the options, we need to click on update question, right? It was updated. The question is showing here and question number is showing here, points showing here. Okay, so if you want to edit this question again, you need to click on edit this question. Next, I am going to give another question. Click on new question. So here we need to type 2, multiple choice, point 1, a question copied from here. So copy this question, paste. So remove the serial number. Correct answer should be pasted in the first box. So here the correct option is B, that means coarse grained soils. So I need to paste this answer here. Okay, so remove the bullet. The remaining 3 options may be pasted in the remaining boxes. Okay, we have already pasted this option, so leave that and go for remaining options and paste here. Fourth option, saturated soil. Right? So again update question. So likewise, if you want to assign a 10 question, then you need to type 10 number of questions by using same process. Now before going to save and publish, we have another work, that is going to details. Okay, in these details we have just mentioned instructions and a title of quiz, right? But if you go down here, we have remaining options in this quiz type, graded quiz. Okay, options, if you want to shuffle the answers, you can click on shuffle answers, then click on time limit. So here, as I have already told, 16 minutes. Okay, if I want to give 15 minutes, that is your choice. Okay, If you want to give 15 minutes, then it is your choice. So for 15 questions I am giving 16 minutes. Okay, now allow multiple attempts. Okay, this allows student to attempt multiple times. That means if it is gone any wrong, okay, by without submitting, it may be automatically submitted. If the student accidentally submitted, then it will never allow him to submit again, right? For that reason I am giving 2 attempts. Okay, but it is your choice. If you don't want to allow the students for multiple attempts, then don't click on this option. Okay, so for example, if you want to give 2 attempts, then quiz score need to keep highest one. Okay, for the student, if he want to attempt second time for good marks, okay, then highest marks will be considered, right? Next, allowed attempts. If you want to give 2 attempts, then type here 2, right? This is your choice. Okay, so I have given 2 attempts earlier, so leave it. It is your choice. Now let's student see their quiz responses. Incorrect question will be marked in student feedback. Okay, only here see the options only once after each attempt. That means by submitting every question he will be notified with correct or wrong. Okay, so in usual practice we don't give that option because student may disturbed, so that we will use this option. Let student see the correct answers only after their last attempt. Okay, if you select here 2 attempts, then you need to click here. Okay, so if you don't selected this option, this may not useful for you. Okay, now let students see the correct answer. When show correct answer yet. Okay, so what is the last time? Okay, please, before assigning questions you need to set the time period, right? Before publishing you need to set the duration and last date for submission. As it is a quiz, we don't allow the students for more number of days. It may be finished within 1 or 2 days, so that we will select the date as due date. As today it is 7, we will click on 8. That means tomorrow night it will be automatically end on that particular time, and so it will be visible to students by giving option here. Okay, from 7th 12 am. That means already it was set in past time. Okay, but it is not a problem. Okay, it will automatically take it. So that if you want to give evening, okay, or evening 6 p.m, if you want to allow the students after particular time, you need to select that particular time. Okay, so you need to give that particular time here, am or pm, whatever the choice in your mind. Okay, so September 7th at 12 am I am okay with time, and this time may be similar to this due time, 8th 11:59 pm. These both time periods are maybe same. Okay, if you want to close before that time, you need to change here also. Okay, now coming to this, show correct answer yet. So after submitting, student will get marks, but he don't get answer because hiding the answers for remaining students until remaining students are submitted. Okay, so we don't show that answers until after the submission date finished. Okay, so that show correct answer 8, 8th, 11:59 p.m. right? Hide correct answer 8. So now show correct answer 8 means it will show the correct answers after this time. Okay, until that student get only marks. Okay, he unable to see the correct answers, right? If he want to check the correct answers, he can only check after this particular time. That means last due date, after the last due date and due time. Okay, so hide correct answers yet. We don't need to give this time. Okay, maybe select same time for this also. Done. See here, hide date cannot be before show time, show date. That means by giving this option it is enough, but hide correct answers yet it may not useful for us, but so this is how to produce a quiz. Okay, and finally we need to save and publish, right? Save by clicking save, and by clicking on save and publish, it will directly shows in students dashboard from right now. Okay, as available from is given already, the time is going on. If you click on publish, it will directly shows in the students dashboard. If you give this date after some time, even though you can click on this publish, but it don't show in students dashboard until this particular time. Okay, so if you publish here, it will show the time what you have selected here. Okay, so now save and publish. Okay, so here it is published. Now the quiz is published. Okay, so graded quiz 2 points, assignments, shuffle answers. I have clicked on shuffling answers, so that yes, limited time 16 minutes, right? So if you want to see how student can see this, you can click on preview. So here a student can see like this. Okay, whatever the answer, you don't know that, right? So this is how producing a quiz.